Let's see how to create audiences for ads. Go to Facebook Ads Manager. You'll have your own ad account, or if you have access to multiple ad accounts, you will have all the accounts listed here. Choose your ad account. Here I already have chosen one ad account. Go to Tools, go to Audiences. Here we'll be creating a saved audience list. For now, I am creating one audience which would be about women who are interested in shopping apparels, shopping kurtis, dresses, saris, etc. That's what we are creating. We are creating one for e-commerce. Go to Create Audience, go to Saved Audience. You can name your audience. For now, I'm creating Sadhana Women. Say India base. Here I'm creating for India. Age group, I'm taking 24 to 55. This is just the name. It has nothing to do with what audiences you set here. Now you can select your particular locations. Here I'm choosing some metro cities out here. Mumbai. Since I just want to target the city, I'll use current city only. Let's choose Hyderabad. Also make sure you check which city you are targeting or which location you are targeting. So here I've chosen some. You can also check the estimated audience size here. I'm taking age group from 24 to 55. Since I'm only targeting women, so I'm choosing women, and you'll see the data would be changing here. Since my website is in English, I'm targeting English all. In detailed targeting, you'll have multiple options here. When you go to browse, you'll have demographics, you'll have interest, you'll have behavior. Let's choose some. Here I'm choosing people who are interested in fashion. People who are interested in style and fashion. Then maybe people who are interested in dress, party dress, wedding dress, etc. I can choose multiple as I want. People who are engaged shoppers, I'm choosing that as well. So this is a behavior. So here I've just chosen some. You can choose more. Maybe also try and search. There is a possibility you might get something. There's a possibility you might not. So here I wanted kurtis, but which I'm not getting here. So I'll avoid this one. Let's see sari. Here I'm getting Indian wedding sari, etc. So this we can do, or we can just take sari. But then we are not sure whether this sari is the one which we are thinking of. So better we'll avoid this one. So if you see, we have created one audience here. Create. And your audience would be ready to be used in ads. Right now we have just created one audience, and you can see the estimated audience size, and it's ready to use when you start with your ads.